Well, as the weather cools off, kids will be spending more time inside, and you want to make sure you keep those kids busy. This morning, parenting lifestyle blogger Clark Nesselrode joins us live this morning to talk about classic toys that actually promote learning. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, Suzanne. I'm great. How are you?
Great. So what I love about this segment is really there are so many different types of classic cars that can help kids learn, starting with the youngest.
It's so true. And each of these sparks imagination, sparks creativity. But what I love about all the things we've brought together today, they all remind me of a classic toy we grew up with, but they've been reimagined for the 21st century. So they're super relevant for today.
Let's start with some of those that are really the best for the youngest ages, kind of the early elementary ages.
Yeah, so I have sons in second grade and preschool, and they are head over heels obsessed right now with Flynoculars from iPlay iLearn. You can get this at iPlay iLearn Toys. It's a classic airplane toy, but it is a pair of binoculars.
So cool.
They could have stopped there. It also has a built-in fan. So it's 3 toys in one, and it's I can't tell you how much my guys love this one.
And there's also something else called Very Busy Spider Magnetiles. Quite the mouthful here.
Yeah, everyone loves Magnetiles. Everyone loves The Magical World of Eric Carle, The Very Hungry Caterpillar book, The Very Busy Spider book. The company Creaton at creaton.com, also available at Target, has taken Magnetiles and brought the stories of Eric Carle to life in a Magnetile set. You can play, you can build, and you can experience the stories in a very tactile way.
So interesting, too. Tell us about this Whips toy car.
Oh my goodness, this one is dangerous for live TV. We all had the classic Matchbox car growing up, but what happens when you apply a battery and some craziness? Look what this guy does.
So cool.
Hope I can get this guy stopped.